if I told you that you can make this beautiful quiche without puff pastry, without short crust pastry, and with 3 times fewer calories? Watch how it's really simple. I just start by putting some potatoes to boil that I've rinsed well beforehand. I let them boil for about 30 minutes, and then I peel them. As you can see, the skin comes off super easily. The potatoes need to be well cooked through, so check by inserting the tip of a knife during cooking. Next, we're going to mash them. Add olive oil and salt. You can replace the olive oil with butter if you prefer. And then, we're going to take a tart pan and pour a little drizzle of olive oil in it, spreading it around the pan with a brush. Next, we're going to line our pan with our mashed potatoes. Just like you would with a short crust or puff pastry, you do the same with the mashed potatoes. I bake it at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, then I prepare the filling. I take a large onion and slice it. Obviously, in the filling, you can put whatever you want. Then I cut 300 grams of chicken, heat some olive oil in a pan, and add the sliced onions. You can add several vegetables to the recipe. I have to admit, for this filling, I preferred to keep it pretty simple. So, once the onions are nice and translucent, I add the chicken cut into small cubes. I add salt, pepper, and herbe de Provence. I then let it cook perfectly for 10 minutes, and at the end of the cooking, I add 20 ml of heavy cream. I stir a little bit and set the filling aside. Your potato dough should start to form a crust. Then, we're going to pour all of the filling inside. We evenly spread the chicken filling and explain the method. Then, separately, I take a large bowl in which I crack 3 eggs. I add some salt. Then, I beat the eggs into an omelet before adding them to the filling. It's a low-calorie recipe, about 250 calories per serving, and it's very high in protein thanks to the cheese, eggs, and chicken. I cover the surface with grated cheese and bake it until the cheese is nicely browned. All that's left is to enjoy it while it's hot and treat yourself. I hope you enjoyed this crustless quiche recipe. I hope you'll give it a try, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. See you soon.